Hello everyone, my name is Tatiana, and today in our show The Step in the Technological Progress we have two experts in 3D printing area.
In modern world, technology means everything in our life.
And today we're going to talk with you about the 3D printing. Printing is a process of making three-dimensional solid object from a digital file. The creation of 3D object is achieved using additive process, in which the object is created by laying down the successive layers of material until the entire object is created. Each of these layers can be seen as a thinly horizontal cross-section of the eventful object.
So the history of the 3D printing starts in 1980s. The first patent application for RP technology is applied by Dr. Kodama in Japan. In 1986, the first patent issued to Charles Hall for SLA. In 1990, EOS sold its first stereo system. And in 2000, MCP technology has introduced to SLM technology. In 2002, the Evision tab was found. And in 2004, Dr. Bower introduced RepRap concept on open source and self-application 3D printer. In 2007, the first system under $10,000 from 3D System was available. In 2009, the first commercially available 3D printer is introduced, in kit form based on RepRap concept. In 2012, alternative 3D printing processes were introduced at the entry level of the market. Want to see how a 3D printer works to produce an object? Let's see.
Is very much like an inkjet printer operated from a computer. It all starts with making a virtual design of the object you want to create. This virtual design is made in computer-aided design file using a 3D modeling program or using 3D scanner. This scanner makes a 3D digital copy of an object and put it into a 3D modeling program. To prepare the digital file created in a 3D modeling program for printing, the software slices the final model into hundreds of thousands of horizontal layers. When this prepared file is uploaded in 3D printer, and printers create the object layer by layer. Working entirely automatically, the 3D printer reads every slice and proceeds to create the object, blending each layer together with no signal or the layering visible.
As 3D printing is gaining popularity, there is a lower manufacturing cost. Although initial setup cost is higher, it is cheaper than labor in third world country. Also, the price is lowered with the potential use of in-home and office in the future. This is also customized products are same for mass production products. Moreover, there are more job opportunities provided. More engineers are needed for design and building the 3D printers, and there are more technicians are needed to maintain and use and fix the 3D printers. However, there are disadvantages and limitations on 3D printing. The first one is the copyright problem. It is more common to print copyrighted products and create counterfeit items, and it is nearly impossible to determine. The second is the limited materials used in 3D printing, such as plastic, resin, certain metal, and ceramics. 3D printing use of mixed materials and technology, such as circuit board, which is underdeveloped.
3D printers capable of outputting in colors and multiple materials already exist and will continue to improve to a point where functional products will be able to be output. 3D printing will create many new opportunities in almost every industry. Food industry. Decorating and designing foods with inking or other soft food of liquid consistency will become possible. Medical science and research. 3D bioprinting will allow the printing of cells placed in predetermined patterns to human tissue, organs, blood, and vessels. It may potentially eliminate the need for organs and may provide doctors and surgeons with non-demand human tissue. Consumers' options. Consumerism will transmit from prefabricable to personal fabrication, designing and printing your own 3D object. Manufacturing. Produce 3D parts and assemble made from various materials in a single build. More efficient designers reduce the need for tooling, machining, and handcrafting prototypes. Reduce the need to maintain an inventory of physical models.
3D printing has a bright future, not least on prototyping, but also in manufacturing and objects, in medicine, in art, and in outer space. 3D printer at home is already a reality and should cost no more than a few $100s in 2015.
You think it's just a dream? No, it's reality.
Now we are coming to the end of our show, and we would like to say thank you to our guest for such an interesting talk.
Gimme 3D printer. Gimme Esquire.